Hi, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to do this spring makeup look, and yesterday it was the first day of the spring, so I was thinking why not just do a spring makeup look for myself today. So here it is. So come follow me on the Instagram and TikTok where I post stuff about skincare and makeup. So I already prepped my skin with moisturizer and sunscreen, so I'm gonna start with the foundation. It's the Estee Lauder-Double Wear. The shade is 2C0 Cold Vanilla. This shade is kind of like not my shade, because sometimes it's just difficult to find your shade, especially right now in a pandemic. You can't really just going and test out the products on your hands or whatever. You just kind of like look at the product and then just see whether it is your shade. I was actually checking the Instagram account yesterday and I came across with this picture. It looks super beautiful with purple, so it's from Nyx Cosmetics official Instagram account. So I wanted to do my own spring makeup look. So yeah, the next part I'm going to do is to put some concealer on the parts that I have the acne scars or dark spots. I have been sleeping not very good lately, and that's why I have some acne going on. You can see there's a zit over here and some acne scars going on, and I'm gonna put some around here as well. Right here. And just blend it out. And now we're done. And then I'm just gonna put a little bit on my eyelids right too. Just kind of to get it ready. So yeah, next I'm gonna do is to draw my eyebrows. The pencil that I'm gonna use is the Rimmel Brow Pro Micro pencil. And then I'm gonna do the other one here as well. And next I'm gonna use the Anastasiabeverlyhills, what's the shade? It's the dark brown eyebrow gel. And then I'm gonna just brush through my eyebrows. I'm gonna use the bareMinerals setting powder just to set the eyelids. Bring out my NYX eyeshadow palettes. There are 3 purples right here, so I'm gonna pick the lightest purple right here, and then I'm just gonna do a sweep on my eyelids. Just gonna spread it all over, dip a little bit more. And then I'm gonna take a smaller brush, and then I'm gonna dip this one, and then I'm gonna put it right here at the corner of my eyelids, right here, like at the crease, and then start to blend right here. And then I'm gonna push it forward, but I don't want it to push it forward in the middle. And then I'm gonna take this purple and then gonna apply it in the middle part of my eyelids right here. So today's spring makeup look is pretty easy. I only use 3 shades of purple to create this purple look. And again, I'm gonna go back to the first brush I just used, and then I kind of brush everything together. And then next I'm gonna pick up the Makeup Forever eye pencil, and then I'm gonna draw a line over here, and then I'm gonna create a little wing right here. And now I am going to put concealer under my eye area. I'm just gonna put some here and then right here. And then I'm gonna set my whole face with a setting powder. And then I'm not gonna bake today, I'm just gonna lightly put the powder all over my face. Next I'm going to curl up my eyelashes. And then I'm gonna use the Tom Ford mascara. I'm gonna dip this one again. And then I'm gonna just kind of make a smooth transition around all over my eye. And then I'm gonna do the lower eyelashes as well. Just don't forget that. And next I'm going to use the bareMinerals bronzer to kind of contour my face. And then I'm gonna start right here. And then do a little bit up here as well. And then I'm gonna do it right here as well. And then I'm gonna do some right here as well. And then I'm gonna just gonna contour my eye area right here in my nose. And then I'm just gonna apply the brush right above the bronzer that I just put. Then I'm gonna just put a little bit on top of my nose right here. The highlighter I am going to use today is the Hourglass. This one is a very small highlighter that I bought because I don't know whether it looks good on my skin or not. Put it on top of my cheekbone right here. And then I'm gonna do it on my nose. And then on my chin as well. And then I'm gonna use my finger to get this right here. Lately, I have been really into the Tower 28th lip gloss. I'm telling you, this one is my favorite right now. I don't know the brand of the fake eyelashes that I got for this one. I threw out the packaging. And then I'm gonna apply on my eyelids. And that is it. This is my spring makeup look for this year. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. I really appreciate your support. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.